welcome to the offline class. Last class we have studied the chapter 5 square and square roots. You know already how to find the square roots. Here simple method they are given in the exercise 5.3. I solved first main. Okay, now first and second main I solved. Now you have to take the third main. Here what they are given, find the square roots of 100 and 169 by the method of repeated subtraction. Here repeated subtraction you have to, you know already how to do the repeated subtraction method. Find the square root of 100 and 169 by using the repeated subtraction method. Okay, how you have to do the here repeated subtraction method? Here I will do here. First I will do for 100. How we are doing here? Take odd numbers, means 100 minus 1 you are getting 99. Next this digit you have to take 99. 1 is the odd number, next you have to take 3. 99 minus 3 you are getting here 96. Next 96, 1 3 after 5 you are getting here 91. Next 91, 1 3 5 7. Just you have to take here odd numbers. Next you have next digit whatever you are getting, take that. Means 91 minus 7 you are getting here 84. Next 84, 7 after 9 means here 75. Next 75, here 9 after you have to take 11 is the odd number, here getting 64. Next 64, 11 after odd number 30 means here 51 up to 0 you have to do this method. Next 51, 13 after 15. Next you have to take here 36. 51 minus 15 you are getting the answer 36. 36 minus 17. 36 minus 17 is the answer 19. 19 minus 19 here last here odd number will be 19. 19 minus 19 will be 0. Up to 0 you have to take this subtraction method. Here see this 100, 100 I said these all odd numbers you have to take. Here you have to subtract, these 100 will be odd numbers. First I am subtracted 100 minus 1, 99. 99 minus 1 after 3 is the odd number. 99 minus 3 is the 96. Next 96 minus 5 you are getting 91. 91 minus 7 getting 84. 84 minus 9 will be 75. 75 minus 11 is the 64. 64 minus 13 is the 51. 51 minus 15 is the 36. 36 minus 17 will be 19. 19. Here see the odd number 17 after 19. 19 minus 19 you are getting 0. Means here we have performed subtraction. How many times? Here see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here you should write. Here we have performed subtraction. How many times? Here 10 times. How many times here? 10 times means square root of 100 is equal to 10. Okay, you should write count and write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10 times we have subtracted the number 100. That's why you should write square root of 100 is equal to 10. Okay. Next here 169 is there. Next also you should do the 169 same method. 169 minus 1 you are getting 168. Like that you have to solve. Next you have to count how much you are getting. Okay. Here is the answer I will giving 169 is equal to 13. 13 times we are doing this subtraction method in the second question. Solve. You have to take this homework. Next in the fourth main. Find the square root of the following numbers by the prime factorization method. It's very important. Prime factorization method is all very important. Now in the 8th you have perfect means in the 9th also getting easy. Here factorization method. In the first question 729. Okay, 729 is there. Prime factorization method means we have to like this LCM taking like that you have to take. Here see last digit will be 9 is there. Okay, it is not divisible by 2. Here last digit 9 is there. Means I will take here 3. Okay, here 7 is there. First digit 7 means I will take here 3 2s are 6. Here 1 left means here will be 12. Okay, 3 6 are 12. Next 3 3s are 9. Next, what is there here? 2, 6, 3 is there. I will take here next 3. 3 8s are, okay, 200. Sorry, here 3 6 are 12, 3 4s are 12. Okay, again I am saying here 3 2s are 6. You are getting 1 here 12. 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9. Next, 3 8s are 24. 3 1s are 3. 81 you are getting again. 3 2s are 6. Here 21 will be. 3 7s are 21. Next here 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. Next 3 1s are up to 1. You have to do this prime factorization method. You should write prime factorization method. It is very important. Factorize this number like that they are giving the question. Here 729 you should take like this LCM method. 3 2s are 6. Here 1 left means 1 here 12 will be. 3 4s are 12. Here 3 3s are 9. Here nothing left. Next here 3 8s are 24. 3 1s are 3. Next 3 2s are 6. First we have to take the smaller number. 3 2s are 6. 2 left. 3 7s are 21. Next 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Here how many times have 3? You should write here. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times have. You should write 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here say I will make a group for 3 3. Means otherwise I will make a group for 2 2. Here 2, these 2 and these 2. Means here 3 into 3, 3 into 3, 3 into 3. How many times are here? 3 times. I will take for these 2 in 1 time and also here will be 1 time and here 1 time. Means 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are how much? 27. Here you should write square root of 729. Here is the value 27 is the factor. Okay, again I am saying this question 729. Here you know the factor. It is very important prime factorization method. These all calculation after you have to take this side numbers. How many times have? Here you should write here 6 times have. I will make a group for 2 2. Here for these 2 2 group take 1 1 means 3 3 3 3 3 is a 9 9 is a 27. Square root of 729 is equal to 27. Okay. Next question 400 is there. Okay. In the second question 400. What doing here 400? Here also use the same method. Here see 400 is there. It is divisible by 2. Like that we have to take 2 2s are 0. Sorry 2 2s are 4. Remaining 0 should write. Here next 2 1s are. Remaining 0 should write as it is. Next 2 5s are 10. Here 0. Next 2 2s are 4. 1 left. 2 5s are 10. Here see 25 is there. In the 2 table 24 not getting. Here 3 also not. Direct we should take the 5. 5 5s are 25. Next here 5 1s are 5. Next I said make a group. Means here 2 into 2 into whatever is there. 2 how many times I am here? 4 times. I have written here 4 times. Remaining 5 will be 2 times. Here make a group. 2 groups make it. And next what you are doing here? I said take 1 time. Here 1. Next here 1. Next here 1. Total how much? Here 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. Means square root of 400. Square root of 400 will be 20. Okay. Like that you have to solve. Next I will solving the fifth question and remaining you have to do the same method. In the fifth question what is there? 7744. 7744. Do this method same. Okay, what doing here? I said it is divisible by 2 means take divisible by 2. Otherwise you have to solve take the bigger number. Okay. Here what is there? Here 2 3s are 6. 1 left. 2 8s are 16. Here left. 2 7s are 14. 2 2s are again in the 2 table. See the last digit here 2 is there. It is divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 9s are 18. 2 3s are 6. Here 1 left. 2 6s are 12. Next 2 9s are 18. You are getting 1. 2 6s are 12. Here 1. 2 8s are 16. Next 2 4s 4s are 8, 1 left. 2 8s are 16. Next 2 4s are 8. Next 2 2s are 2 4s are 2 2s are. Next we are getting 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 1s are. 121 is there. See here, 121 is it is not divisible by 2. Next 3, say take here 3 4s are 12, here 1 left. Here we need here 0. Like that you should choose. Means I am 11 11s are 121. I will take next 11 11s. You have to multiply means 11 11s are 121. Means you have to see 3 4 5 6 like that. See the number and solve. 11 11s are 121. Again 11 ones are 11. I said how many times is there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times 2m. Okay, right here 6 times. Okay, 3 6. Next 11 2 times here. Okay, I said make a group. For these two groups you have to make. If making means remaining, here one time you should take 2 group, in one time you have to take, and 11 means 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 into 11 means 88. 11 8s are 88. Here square root of, I will write here square root of 7744. Here is the 80. 80 is the square root of. Okay, like that you have to solve. Here bigger one. Here root 4 means 2 writing. Root 9 means 3 writing. You know already directly writing. But here if bigger number means you have to use the prime factorization method. Solve by this method. You are getting the answer here. 7744 is the square root will be 88. Like that you have to solve up to 10 questions they are given. I solved 4 questions. You have to remaining. You have to take the homework. Okay, I think all of you understood these all. Thank you.